Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Good evening everyone, good evening. So this issue with this light that is there, I will solve it by tomorrow. You don't have to worry about it. So from tomorrow, this won't be there. Everything will look a bit more cleaner. Actually, I don't have any light facing my face, so I will have to bring a light tomorrow. So once that has been sorted, so from tomorrow, this will look a little bit nicer. Okay, I understand this is not something that you guys like. Okay, so don't worry about it. I'll keep that in my checkpoint itself. I usually forget things, but today also I forgot about it. But no issues. Okay, so good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you guys? How was your day? How was your day, guys? Did you had a nice day? Do let me know. Did you guys have a nice day itself? Do you guys learn something new? See, every day take an aim of learning something new, guys. That is what I also do. Like every day I will try to learn something new. It keeps boosting up my confidence itself. So try to do something new, try to learn something every single day. Okay. And we are always there for you, of course. Every time you want to learn something new, you can always come up to DevTown and we'll always try to make sure that you guys are learning something new. Okay. Good, guys. Okay, so before starting today's class, guys, just a quick revision of what have we learned yesterday. Could you guys let me know? Just a quick revision, guys. What have we learned in our yesterday's class? Could you guys let me know? Can you guys let me know what have we studied in our yesterday's class? HTML basics, okay. Heading tags, good. H1 tags, okay. Anything else, guys? Anything else? We have studied about okay, HTML structure, HTML tags. Anything else? Head and body tag, HTML tag, okay. Uh, we studied about basics of web development. Okay, we studied about Netscape. We studied about your browsers. We studied about your components of a website, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We saw a good example of Deadpool as well to understand the use of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We studied about metadata. Okay, good, good. And online IDE sandbox, we try to use it H1 to H6. That is what we saw yesterday. Good, guys. So okay, bring Susie here, bring Susie here. I want you guys to meet my Ajo. Sure. So, okay. She's not able to stand up properly here. So she is Susie. Ha. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, bolo. Hi. No, don't want to say hi. Go. Enjoy your life. Okay. So actually, she is the CEO. Officially, she is the CEO of our company, guys. Her name is Susie. Okay. So yeah, officially she is the CEO. Unofficially, it's me. So yeah, that's also something that we have done. Okay, she removed the entire thing from here. Let me just put it back once again. Okay. Okay, guys. So if everything goes well in today's class, I think so. Some of you guys stayed till late in yesterday's class as well. So you guys met the bodyguards of Susie. Okay. So today as well, if everything goes well, if you guys are able to learn everything today itself, then in that particular case, I will show you guys the two bodyguards of Susie as well. Okay. So Susie has two bodyguards. So we'll meet them as well. Okay. So we're keeping that in mind, guys. We will start our lecture right now. Okay. So 5 minutes, I always take up the time so that everybody is able to join us, and then we'll start with our today's class. Okay, so again, so what are we going to learn in today's class? An important thing. So what we'll be doing is we'll be learning some basics of HTML. Now, HTML cannot be learned theoretically. Okay, anything that is there related to programming, you cannot learn it theoretically itself. So what we will be doing, sir, I completed backend web development using JavaScript, Node.js and Express project, but I have received only participation certificate. I didn't receive Microsoft and Google certificate. Manna Telugu vlogs, that means that you have not attended our last class. If you're saying that you have not received your certificates right now, that means you didn't attend our last class. I will suggest you to give some time to the last class of our boot camp, for the backend web development bootcamp. You will get your answers right over there. I've already told you guys that itself. Okay, so let's get started right away, guys. Let me open up Code Sandbox. Again, guys, one more thing. I need a small favor from you. Can you guys give me can you guys do me a small favor? Okay, not a big favor, a very small favor, guys. Actually, this favor will help you at the end of the day. Do you guys want that whatever certificates you are going to get via DevTown or via Microsoft or via Google, do you want it to have some value to it, that when you add it to your resume, that certificate has some weightage, the certificate has some value to it? Do you guys want that or not? Please do let me know. Do you guys want that or not, guys? Please let me know. Do you guys want your certificates to have some value to it, to have some weightage to it? Okay, you want that, right? Even I want that for you guys. So I want a small favor from you. Whenever I'm going to show you guys the attendance link, whenever I give you guys the attendance itself, you just fill it up directly. Okay, even if it's not working, okay, if it's not working for you, listen to me, just reload the page, it will work. Okay, once you have filled up the attendance, once the time of attendance has been done, do anybody who is asking about attendance in the live chat, just tell them I don't know. Okay, I don't know what is attendance. Did he even take the attendance? What is attendance? I don't know that. Just tell it that in the live chat. Why is that the case, guys? Because if everybody is filling up the attendance, even if they are attending the class, they're not attending the class or something like that, in that particular case, even you who is coming to the bootcamp, who's learning something, who's creating the project, is getting the certificate, and somebody who is not at all attending the bootcamp, is not learning anything, is not creating this project, is also getting the certificate itself. So in that particular case, there's no value for the certificate because everybody is getting it. You don't want that, right? You want only you who is coming to the class regularly, who's attending the classes properly. Okay, those guys, I want them to get the certificate. So anybody who's asking for the attendance, just tell we don't know what attendance means as well. Okay, that is the only favor I want from you guys, nothing else. Okay, so try to make sure that you guys are actually doing it. Okay, so let's get started with our today's class, guys. Again, I will just create a sandbox on Code Sandbox itself, a static sandbox. In the meanwhile, I'm just opening up your live chat on my mobile phone so that I'm able to see your live chat as well. So that will give me a second. Nowadays, I'm watching Shark Tank a lot. Like I used to watch Shark Tank US, UK, Australia a lot. But this time, yeah, even for India as well, I'm trying to watch every single episode of Shark Tank. Okay, so I've opened up your live chat right over here. So right over here, I've selected the index.html. I will open the same up on my browser as well. So I've just opened the browser up. This is our website. We'll close the browser so that we are just able to see our code itself, nothing less, nothing more. And this is the code that we are having. We'll remove everything because we don't want it. Now to create a simple code, guys, what are the different things that we want right over here, guys? What are the different things that we want here? Could you guys let me know? What are the different things that we want here, guys? Could you guys let me know? Again, HTML tag, good. So we'll first keep the HTML tag. Then what is the next thing that we need? Head and the body tag. Good, guys. Head tag and the body tag. Amazing. What is something that we want inside the head tag, guys? What is something that we want inside the head tag? Could you guys let me know? This is everything that we have learned yesterday. I'm just doing a quick revision. Guys. What is something that you want inside of the head tag, guys? Absolutely correct, guys. The title tag, good, amazing. So inside of the title, we'll keep it as HTML. Okay, we'll keep the title simple, HTML. And then inside the body tag, okay, we don't know what we are going to build. Okay, we don't know what we are going to build. So that is something that will come up what we are going to learn today. So let us go to our PPT once again. Okay, let's today I will be providing you guys the PPT as well. Don't worry. Yesterday I forgot to provide you guys with the PPT. So today, without fail, I will be providing you guys with the PPT as well. I'm so sorry I forgot it about it yesterday. Okay, so let's look at our problem statements, guys. Okay, let's look at our problem statements. the first problem statement that we are having. Okay, so what I've done is to make you guys understand about HTML. I've divided stuff into problem statements because as a developer, as a software engineer, your job is to solve problems. Okay, and this will help you practice your HTML code easily as well. I need to be placed in Google with 1 crore full skill for infinite number of years. So for freshers, Google does not offer 1 crore package. Okay, I got placed in Google. It was 60 lakhs. That was my package when I joined Google as a fresher. So your dreams as a fresher to get into Google is not going to work. Okay, so like I said, guys, the first thing that we need to learn about is MDN. Okay, so you always need some help, some resources that are going to help you guys uh, learn HTML, right? So for that, one of the best websites that I can suggest you guys is MDN references, guys. Okay, so you guys can go to Google. Okay, you guys can go to Google. Okay, and search for MDN. Okay, MDN HTML. Okay, reference. Okay, MDN HTML reference, guys. So right over here, 60. Okay, so HTML elements reference for Mozilla, that is the website developer.mozilla. You guys can enter into this from right over here, and you will be able to see all the tags, all the tags that exist into HTML. Okay, all the tags and what is its use, a description of the tag as well. As you're able to see base tag, head tag, link, meta, style, title, body, every single tag that you are going to use at any particular point of time, it will be available right over here. All the tags of HTML, guys. Okay, so that is one of the references I will be suggesting you guys to move further. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. The next thing that we are going to do is the first problem statement that we are having. We want to create a button. Okay, we want to create a button, guys. The website should look something like this. Okay, this is a button, that is the title of the website, and then you're having a button called as click here. Okay, that is the button called as click here, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Good. So what we're going to do right now is we are easily able to see that the text is big and bold. The first thing, we want an h1 element, right? The first thing that we want to do is create an h1 element. We'll go to our code. We'll go to our code itself, and we'll start by creating our h1 element. Okay, and that will have a text. This is a button. Okay, that is the text that we want to have. So this is a button button. We'll save it. We'll go to our website. We'll reload our web page itself. We'll increase the size so that we are able to see this. As you're able to see, we have got the first step easy. Okay, this is a button, as simple as that. The next step is to create a button. Okay, to create a button. So let's assume I don't know how to create a button itself. Neither do you. Okay, let's assume we have no idea. We are like, oh, we are basics. We are beginners in web development itself. So the easiest possible solution, see, a good web developer or a good software engineer as well is a a person who can Google stuff easily. Okay, it's a person who can Google stuff easily, guys. So no issues. Okay, how to create a button in so you can just search for button right over here as well. button button. It will find you the button element right over here. Okay, this is the button element, and it will give you how to create a button itself. If you don't want to do this, you guys can just Google it out as well. Button button in HTML, as simple as that. It will just open the first link that you guys are able to see. You can open that up. It will tell you how to create a button, what are its attributes and everything. So you guys can go through the entire thing itself. So once you've gone through, and please remember, guys, when you're going through a documentation, go through the entire documentation. So for example, when I came to the very first line, I saw that, okay, this is how I can create a button. Okay, I'll copy paste it into my project and it's done. Okay, that is not a good person who can Google stuff up. Okay, a good person is when he is able to read through the entire documentation itself. Always remember, guys, if you're reading through the entire documentation, you are adding up additional knowledge to your brain. Okay, always do that. Even if you're not going to use it into your project, it might help you in the future. Please, some additional pointers I'm sharing it to you, how you can become a good software engineer. That is the reason why I'm sharing it to you guys. Okay, so go back. Okay, we want to create a button. We are going to use the button tag, just like you are having the h1 tag, just like you are having head, body tag, title tag. Similar to that, to create a button, you are having the button tag, guys. Just like button button, and press enter. It will create a button tag for you. Again, opening button tag and a closing button tag. You want click here. Okay, click here and then 2 exclamation marks. That is the text you want inside the button. Okay, that is the text you want inside the button, guys. Click here. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to just enter here click, click HERE here, and then 2 exclamation mark. So whatever text you want to showcase inside of the button, you put it in between the opening button tag and the closing button tag, guys. So as soon as I'm pressing save right over here, I can go back to my website and reload the page, and you guys are able to see we are having, this is a button and a button having the text of click here right over here. Okay, as simple as that, guys. Nothing too complicated. Even if you don't know it, you can just Google it up. Okay, it's as simple as possible, guys. As simple as it. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. The code is not clearly visible. Okay, I will just increase the size of the text as well. I'll just increase the size of the text if the code wasn't visible for you guys. I hope so that it is visible right now. In my mobile phone, it was actually visible. So I think so there's some problem, the same problem that you guys were facing yesterday. I don't want to repeat that. Okay, no issues in that. We'll move further. The next particular problem statement, we have already solved it, right? Yesterday we saw this. You guys remember it? Please let me know. This problem statement, we have solved it yesterday itself. We saw it yesterday. Do you guys remember it? Please let me know, guys. Do you guys remember it? Please let me know. The H1 to H6, there are just 6 heading tags that are available. Okay, there's no H0, there's no H7. Why does it not exist? Just ask the person who created HTML. Even I don't know the answer of that. Okay, so I will be very frank, when I don't know something, I just tell you guys. Okay, so next what we are going to do is we are going to create a list, guys. We are going to create a list. Now, anytime that your parents, okay, send you to take up some grocery shopping or something, what do? Okay, you first take a piece of paper, okay, and then you jot down the items that you want to purchase. For example, ONION onion, I want to purchase a pen, I want to purchase let's say Boomer, BOOMER. I don't know if you guys know Boomer or not. It was a chewing gum that used to come. I used to love it. Then something that I love, so cream and onion Lays, I love it. So LAYS Lays. Okay, let's keep that as well. Okay, this is not something that I think so my parents would have made. I think so just onion is something that they would have ordered. The rest is something that I have ordered for myself. Okay, so what happens right over here is that you guys take a piece of paper, you jot down the things that you want to purchase, and then you go and purchase it. So this piece of paper itself is called as a list, guys. Okay, this piece of paper is called as a list. Okay, now there are two types of lists that can be made. Okay, the same list I can create it in another way as well. Taking a piece of paper again, okay, taking a piece of paper again, instead of putting a bullet points, I can put a 1 onion, okay, 2 pen, 3 Boomer, 4 Lays, right? In both the list, the items are the same. Okay, onion, pen, Boomer, Lays, these are the items that are there in the list. These are list items itself. But the only thing that is different between the two lists, is that one is ordered, that is 1 2 3 4, there's some order within the items of the list itself, and the other one is unordered. There is no order between the items of the list. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. This is unordered, guys. Unordered. Okay, there's no order between them. It's not as if onion comes first and pen comes second. There's no order, there's no ranking. Whereas right over here, there's an ordered list. ORDERED, ordered list, guys. Okay, because there's some order within the list itself. Okay, in a similar way, inside of HTML as well, you can create both type of lists. You can create an ordered list, you can create an unordered list as well. And that is what we'll be doing right over here. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is that we're going to create an for unordered list. Okay, so what happens is there are two components of a list. Okay, right over here as well, there are two components of a list: the paper, okay, the paper itself, and the items present in the list. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. There are two components of every single list, guys: the paper that contains all the list items, and the items that are present in the list as well. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. So there are two objects right over there, the paper and the items present in the list. So what we are going to do right now is that we are going the same thing, the same hierarchy follows in HTML as well. So let us do one thing. Let us create this inside of HTML. So if I'm creating this inside of HTML itself, this is what it will look like. Let me just erase this. Okay, erase. I have not clicked on anything. Okay, so I will convert this. Okay, I will convert this into an HTML code, guys. The first thing is the paper. The first thing is the paper itself. For that, it is an unordered list, guys. This is an unordered list. So it is a UL or an unordered list, guys. Okay, this UL tag, okay, this opening and closing UL tag is basically what contains your entire list. Okay, what contains your entire list, that is the paper itself. Now we are going to place the list items inside of it. Okay, that is onion, pen, boomer, lace. We are going to put up the list items inside of it, guys. So for that, you are having the tag of li. Okay, that is list item. Okay, unordered list, ul, list item, li, guys. So you're going to have onion, that is the first list item. Close it. Okay, the second list item would be pen, li, pen. Okay, again close it. The third list item would be your boomer, sorry, li. I'm so sorry for this. Let me just erase this up once again. So again li tag, guys, and then you are having boomer, boomer. Again close the list item, and then you are having again last particular list item, that is lays, lays. Again close the list item itself. Okay, so this is how you are able to convert an unordered list into an HTML code. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. UL basically means you are creating a list. You are creating the paper of an unordered list. So all the list items will be unordered in nature. Okay. Similar to that, if you want to create an ordered list, you will be having OL tag. Okay, that is you want to create. So this list that you're creating right over here is that of an ordered list, guys. This list that you're now creating is called as an ordered list, and this ordered list again will be having li tags inside, that is the list item onions, onions. Okay, list item completed. Upstairs, I'm so sorry. Similar to that, then again you will be having li, then pen, and so on and so forth. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. So let's go back into our code. Let's try to create an ordered list and an unordered list, guys. Both will be creating it on our website. Okay. So first we'll start by an unordered list, UL tag. Okay. So I'll just write UL and enter. Then inside of that, I'll create the LI, ONIONS, onions. Okay. We will have another LI tag, that is pen, PEN, pen. Then I will have another li tag for boomer, 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 and another li tag that is for your what was the last li tag? LAYS, lace. Okay, similar to that, we'll create an OL tag as well. Okay, ordered list. Okay, inside of the ordered list, again we'll have the same. So as you're able to see, the content is not changing. The content is not changing. Only we are defining which type of list are we creating. Okay, the only thing that we are deciding is which type of list are we creating. So Control S, we are saving it. Okay, and then we are going back to our HTML like website and reloading it. So as you're able to see, by default, onions are coming up with bullet points. Sorry, your unordered list is coming up with bullet points, whereas your ordered list is coming up with your numbers itself. Your ordered list is coming up with your numbers. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. Now I don't want numbers. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is I don't want numbers. I want alphabets. Okay, I have a particular question in mind. I don't want numbers. I want alphabets right over here. What can I do for it? Okay, what can I do for it? So what I'll be doing is I'll go back to our code. Right over here, this is our ordered list. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is our ordered list right over here. I don't want numbers. I want alphabets. Okay, so for that, see, this is your tag. Okay, this is the OL tag. This is the opening OL tag, and this is the closing OL tag, right? Now this OL tag can take in something called as attributes, okay, or properties that you can change about this OL tag. Okay, you can change the change the properties of this OL tag by changing something called as the attribute. For example, right over here, I want to change the type of the points from numbers to alphabets. I want to change the type, that is a property, from numbers to alphabets, guys. So for that I can just type. Okay, that is one of the attributes of the OL tag, and I will change it to A. Okay, I will change it to A, small a, guys. I will save my code right over here. So what I've done is I've added an attribute to the OL tag. Every tag has its own set of attributes, guys. Okay, every tag has its own set of attributes. It's not the same for every tag. It has its own set of attributes, guys. For the OL tag, it is the type attribute. So if I go back to my website and I reload my page, as you're able to see, all my 1 2 3 4 got changed into ABCD. All my 1 2 3 4 got changed into my ABCD, guys. Okay, are you guys able to see this and understand it? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to see this and understand it? Please do let me know, guys. I don't want ABCD. I want capital ABCD. Okay, I don't want ABCD. I want capital ABCD. Change the type to capital A. Okay, change the type to capital A, guys. Save it. Okay, I've just changed the type to capital A. I will go back to my website. I will reload the page. As you're able to see capital ABCD, you are able to see it right over here. I don't want ABCD. I don't want numbers. I don't want alphabets. I want something. I want Roman numerals. Okay, I want new Roman numerals, guys. Again, go back, change the type to small I. Okay, change the type to small I, guys. Save it right over here. Go back to your website. I've changed it to small I, guys. Small I. Okay, I will go back to my website, reload my page. As you're able to see, now I'm having Roman numerals on my page. I want to change it to capital Roman numerals. I want to change it to capital Roman numerals itself. Again, go back. Again, change the small I to capital I. Okay, I want to change it to small I to capital I, guys. Again, save my code. Again, go to my website, reload the page. I'm able to get capital Roman numerals. I don't want to start from 1. I want to start counting from 5. Okay, I want to start counting from 5, guys. So again, come over here. You will change the attribute. Okay, you will change the attribute to start. Okay, and you will change the attribute to 5. Okay, I want to start counting at 5, guys. Instead of start counting at 1, I want to start counting at 5. Okay, so I'll again go back to my code, again reload my page. As you're able to see, now we are starting to count from 5, guys. Okay, we are starting to count from 5. I don't want to start count from 5, but I want it to be in the reversed order. Okay, I don't want it to be 5, 6, 7, 8. I want it to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want it to be 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, that is the counting that I want to have. Another attribute you add to it. Okay, another attribute I will add to it. Reversed. Okay, I'll add another attribute to it. Reversed, guys. So if I'm going back to my website, reloading my page, now I'm getting 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm getting 5, 4, 3, 2, guys. So there are many different attributes right over here. I've shown you guys some attributes. Change the type to A. Okay, change the type to A, guys. Reload the page. Okay, I've changed the type to A. I will start counting at the 5th letter. I'll start counting at the 5th letter itself. I want it to be in the reversed order. I can go back to my website, reload my page. As you are able to see, EDCB is coming up on my screen. You can change a lot of different things by changing these properties of these tags that are there in HTML. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Okay, I'll just show you guys the code once again so that you guys are able to understand this. Amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing. Good, good. Okay, so I'm giving you guys an assignment for today. A simple assignment. Can you guys do it? Please do let me know. I've told you guys some of the attributes related to the OL tag, right, guys? I've told you guys some of the attributes related to the OL tag, right? It was easy. It was not hard, right? It was very easy. I want you guys to find me a way of changing the bullet points from this disk-like structure. Okay, from this disk-like structure to squares. Okay, I want to change the like type. Okay, do not tell me right now. Do not tell me right now. This is an assignment. Go back home, research about it. Come to in tomorrow's class and let me know. Do not tell me right now, guys. I don't want to know it right now. Do not put it in the live chat. Do not tell me right now. come in tomorrow's class with this particular answer. Okay, come in tomorrow's class with this particular answer. I don't want to know it right now, guys. I know the answer. I know some of you guys also know the answer. I don't want to know it right now. I want you guys to research a little bit about it, learn a little bit about it tonight. Okay, spend some time, 5-10 minutes itself, guys. I'm not asking for a lot. Okay, and then okay, tomorrow I'll ask you this question. So this is a small assignment for you guys. How can I change this disk in the UL tag, okay, in the unordered list, to a square? As simple as that, guys. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, so we will be continuing from right over there. I've given you guys a small assignment for today. I don't think so it should be that difficult for you. Now we need to understand something. Okay, so if you look at this particular code, guys, are you guys able to see something that the li tags are present inside of the UL tags? Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. The li tags are present inside of the UL tags. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. So if I collapse the UL tag, okay, if I collapse the UL tag, you are able to see that inside of the UL tag, all the li tags were there. Similar to that, these li tags are present inside of the OL tag. Okay, these li tags are present inside the OL tag. I can collapse that, and the OL tag contains all the li tags right over here. Okay, then you are able to see that if the UL tag and the OL tag is present inside of the body tag, the UL tag and the OL tag is present inside of the body tag right over here. So if I'm collapsing the body tag, you are able to see everything is contained inside of it. Then the title tag is present inside of the head tag, right? The title tag is present inside of the head tag. Okay, so I will just collapse it again. Head tag contains the title tag. Then you are having the HTML tag that contains the head tag and the body tag right over here. So you're able to see some kind of hierarchy that is there. Okay, are you guys able to see some kind of hierarchy that is there? Okay, so this hierarchy itself, okay, this hierarchy itself is something that we can be represented in a like pictorial way, okay, in a visual way itself. Okay, not just as a code, but in a visual way. Okay, so let us go back to our drawing board. Let us go back to Paint. Let me open up Paint for you guys. So as you're able to see, this is my shitty quality paint that is there. And let me write a demo of that particular thing that we saw. Okay, so it was HTML right over here. Okay, it is HTML right over here, and you are ending up with an HTML code as well. Then inside of it, you are having the head tag, HEAD head tag. Okay, inside of which you are having the title tag, TITLE title tag, some content, closing TITLE title tag. Okay, then you are having the closing head tag, HEAD head. Okay, then you are having the body tag right over here. Okay, you are having the body tag, the closing body tag right over here. Okay, you are having the OL tag right over here, the closing OL tag right over here, some LI tags that are there. Okay, closing LI tags that are there. Okay, then again you are having the UL tag right over here, closing UL tag right over here, some LI tags that are present inside of it. Okay, some content written inside of these LI tags. Okay, so all these different things. Okay, all these different things itself, when we'll be starting the actual Tinder clone, CarTube, I'm able to understand you know HTML and CSS in its entirety. You are waiting for the project itself. Okay. See, if you are doing that, it's great. Okay. Even I know the entire thing. I don't want to teach this as well, but not everybody knows it, right? You have to teach everybody HTML and CSS so that they are able to understand the project. And yes, I will be coding the entire project live in front of you. Yeah, I'll be making the entire project live in front of you. I'll be explaining everything inside of the project. So you don't have to worry about it. Try to learn as much as possible. Okay. Do not worry about it, guys. So as you're able to see, I can represent it in a pictorial way, in a visual way itself. So the first particular thing will be HTML, right, guys? The first particular thing will be HTML right over here. Inside of HTML, we are having the head and the body tag. Okay. The head tag and the body tag that is present inside of the HTML, guys. So again, inside of the HTML, we are having head and the body tag. This is nothing, guys. I've just written this particular code that I've written right over here. I've just written the exact same code that I've written right over here as well. The exact same code. I've not changed anything. Okay. I've written the exact same code from right over here. I have not done anything else. Okay. So inside of the HTML itself, we are having the head, HEAD head, and the body tag. Okay. Then inside of the head tag, we are having the title tag, TITLE title tag. Okay. Inside of the title tag, we are having some content that is there, right? Some content that is there. Okay, we are not changing anything. Okay, inside of the body tag, you are having the OL tag and the UL tag right over here. Are you guys able to see this? OL tag and the UL tag. So I'm having OL tag and the UL tag right over here, guys. OL tag and the UL tag. Okay. Then inside of the OL tag, I'm having some LI tags. Okay. Inside of the OL tag, I'm having some LI tags right over here. Inside of the UL tag as well, I'm having some LI tags right over here, guys. And then inside of the LI tags, I'm having some content. Okay. Inside of the LI tags, I'm having some content. So I'm able to represent my HTML code in a way, in a visual manner itself that looks like a tree. Okay. That looks like a tree, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. I'm able to represent my code, okay, my HTML code in a hierarchical manner in the form of a tree, okay. Now this tree itself, okay, this tree that you are able to see right over here, if I just add one more node to it, okay, if I add just one more node to it, so if I copy the entire thing up, I will copy the entire thing up, I will control C, control A, delete, control V, and I will scale it a little bit down. Okay, so this is my HTML tree that I've created right over here. Let me erase this particular arrow and this particular arrow itself. Okay, then this HTML tree that you are able to see, if I add one more, just one more particular node on top of HTML, that is called as document. Okay, so this document is basically your HTML file, index.html. The file that you created is usually referred to as a document. Okay, your HTML index.html file that is created is usually referred to as a document, guys. So first you are having the file. Okay, first index.html, that is referred as the document. Then inside of it you are having the head HTML tag. Then inside of the head tag you are having the head tag, body tag, then title tag, OL tag, UL tag, and the content inside of it. So this particular tree-like structure, is called as the DOM, or the document object model. Okay, or the document object model. Okay, understand this, guys. The file index.html by default is called as document. Now why is it called as document? It's the same question that I asked you as well. Why is your name whatever your name is? Because somebody gave it. As simple as that, guys. Somebody gave it, we need to know about it. Okay, it's a technical term. Why is water called as water? Because the person who wanted to name it as water gave it the name of water itself. Okay, so this file itself, that's index.html, is called as the document, and this file contains all your tags inside of it. The first tag is a HTML tag, the second tag is your head and the body tag, the third tag is your title, OL, UL tag, and so on and so forth. And this is called as your document object model, or your DOM tree. Okay, document object model or your DOM tree, guys. Now what is the use of this DOM tree? Why are we learning this DOM tree? It is not at all related with this particular bootcamp, but in the future, if you guys are attending our JavaScript and React JS bootcamp, okay, most of you guys must maybe planning to attend the next bootcamp as well. The next bootcamp is on JavaScript and React JS. So if you guys are going to attend that particular bootcamp, we will be providing you guys this concept of DOM tree would be used right over here. Okay, this topic of DOM tree would be used right over here. For our current bootcamp, we don't need to consider ourselves. We don't need to learn about it as well. Do not worry about it. Okay, just remember this full form, document object model, guys. Just remember the full form, document object model. Okay, so the next thing that we need to learn about is relationships. Okay, next thing we want to learn about is relationships of like elements that you are able to see on your screen. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is that we are going to learn about these relationships. Now in your family as well, this looks like a family tree, right? This looks like a family tree. Okay, this looks like a family tree, guys. In your childhood, you guys must have made family trees, right? You guys must have made family trees in your childhood. You are having your grandparents, then you are having your parents, then you are having yourselves, you and your siblings, your cousins, and everything right over here. Similarly, inside of this tree as well, three relationships are there. Only three. Do not ask me sir cousins होते हैं, uncles होते हैं, नहीं होते हैं. Okay, these do not exist. The only thing that exists is just three relationships inside of this dormitory. That is your parents, children, and siblings. So you and your cousins are not siblings. Only you and your brother. Okay, only you and your brother are siblings. Your cousins are called as your cousins itself. These are not siblings. Try to understand this. Siblings are those children that have the same parent. Okay, children that have the same parent are called as siblings. So if those who don't know the meaning of the term siblings, I'm trying to make you guys understand. And only these three relationships are there inside of this dormitory. Nothing else. There's no cousins, there is no grandparents, nothing like that. Okay, so what is a parent, guys? Okay, any node that is upstairs is called as the parent. Okay, so for example, right over here, HTML is the parent of head and the body tag. Okay, HTML is the parent of the head and the body tag, guys, because it is one level above. Similar to that, head is the parent of the title tag, guys. Head is the parent of the title tag, guys. Similar to that, body is the parent of the OL and the UL tags. Okay, body is the parent of the OL and the UL tag. Similar to that, OL is the parent of this LI tag and UL is the parent of this LI tag. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this concept of parents? Anything that is up above me is my parent, right? And it's children. Everything that is above me is my parent itself. Okay. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Amazing. You guys are so smart, man. You guys are so smart. Okay. So what we'll do right now is we'll learn about children as well. Okay. So anything that is down is your children. Okay. So head and the body tag is the child of HTML. Head and the body tag is the child of HTML. Similar to that, title tag is the child of head tag. Okay, title tag is the child of head tag itself. OL and UL is the child of the body tag. OL and UL is the child of the body tag itself. Okay, this LI tag is the child of this OL tag. This LI tag is the child of this UL tag. As simple as that, guys. Okay. Lokesh, if you are late in the class, you don't have any right to ask that particular question. Okay, to anybody in this boot camp. Be on time, you will know whether the attendance has been taken up or not. Do not disturb other students because you are late in the class. Okay, good. The second particular thing is siblings. Okay, so what is siblings, guys? Any two tags that have the immediate common parent. Okay, please listen to this very carefully, guys. Okay, please listen to this very carefully. Any child, okay, or any two tags, okay, any two tags that have an immediate common parent. Three words: immediate, common, parent. Okay, three words, guys. Immediate common parent, guys. So head and body tag. Let's take up head and body tags. Let me take up some other color. Let me take up green. Okay, so head and body tag have the immediate common parent as HTML, right, guys? So for head, the parent is HTML. For body, it is HTML. That is their immediate parent, and it is common for both. It's HTML itself. So head and your body tag are siblings. Okay, head and the body tag are siblings. Similar to that, for OL and the UL tag. For OL and the UL tag, what is their parent? Okay, what is the parent? The body tag is their parent. So it has the immediate common parent as body tag itself. Again, they are siblings. But what about title and OL tag? Okay, what about title and the OL tag, guys? Okay, so if we are taking up into account title and the OL tag, the parent of title tag, the immediate parent of title tag is head. The immediate parent of the OL tag is body, and they are not common. Okay, the immediate parent of title tag is head. The immediate parent of OL tag is body. They don't have a common parent itself. Hence, title and OL tag are not related to each other. They're not siblings. They are not related to each other, guys. In a very simple manner, you can understand what is the meaning of parents, children, and siblings. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand? There's no concept of cousins in dormitories. Okay, please understand that there's no concept of cousins in dormitory. It's just not related to each other. As simple as that, guys. Amazing, guys. You guys are great. You guys were able to understand everything. Good. Amazing, guys. Okay, I just forgot. Yeah, good. So we'll go to our PPT once again. We'll go to our PPT once again. The next thing that we want to do is we want to create a hyperlink. I know, guys, the class is a little bit long. It's of 90 minutes, continuously learning new things. It might be a bit tiring for you. After 3 minutes, I will take up your first attendance for today. There will be two attendances today. Okay, you have to fill up both the attendance. You will get 5 minutes to fill up your attendance, guys. Just 5 minutes to fill it up during that little point of time itself. So you will guys can take a 5 minutes break once you have filled up the attendance. Okay, then we'll start again with our class. Okay, but see, the second attendance can happen just immediately after I've taken up the first attendance as well. I can do that. I don't have to take it up at the end of the class. Okay, so for example, I'm taking up the first attendance at 8:20. At 8:25, the attendance thing will be closed. At 8:26, I will take up the second attendance as well. You guys don't know. So if you guys are planning to be very smart and leaving the class and joining it back at the end, you might lose your attendance. Okay, so see, the point is I've taken up like these boot camps for 2 years right now, so I know what are things that you guys do. Okay. So if you are here to learn, that's great, man. I love you guys. If you're not here to learn as well, still you have to be in the class because I will force you to learn. That's the thing. Okay, so let's continue from right over here. We want to make a hyperlink. Now, what do you mean by a hyperlink, guys? What do you mean by a hyperlink? Okay, so basically something you guys must have seen it on some websites. It's made up of purple color or blue color itself, and it looks something like this. So you will be having SHAURYA Shaurya, and then there will be an underline under it. And when you're clicking on it, okay, when you're clicking on it itself, it will change. So if you click on it, okay, it will take you to a new website. Okay, it will take you to a new website itself. Okay, so that is called as a hyperlink, guys. Okay, that is called as a hyperlink. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. This is called as a hyperlink, guys. Okay, this is called as a hyperlink. Please let me know, guys. Great. So you guys must have seen these hyperlinks a lot of times when you're using a different kind of websites itself. Okay, so we are going to create that. To create that, it's actually pretty simple. We'll first, of course, remove all the code. We don't require any code itself inside of the body tag. The hyperlink is created using the anchor tag or the A tag, guys. Okay, the anchor tag, that is the A tag. Okay, the full form of A is anchor, guys. The full form of A is anchor. Okay, because it is anchoring this particular text to another link. Okay, in the web page itself, it is anchoring you to another page itself. So right over here, what website do you want to go? Let us take it to google.com itself. Okay, let's get the google.com. Let us copy the entire URL and we'll paste the URL right over here, guys. We'll paste the URL. Where is my code? We'll paste the URL right over here. href means your reference. Okay, to which particular link do you want this particular text to go to? Okay, to which particular link do you want this particular text to go to? That is called as href or reference to that particular page. Okay, which page do you want to go to? The reference to that particular page, you put it up right over there. Okay, so anchor tag providing the reference as the attribute. Okay, and the reference is your Google URL itself. It is your Google URL itself. And the text, okay, this text, this Shaurya, okay, this Shaurya that I've written right over here, this text also is needed. Okay, this text is also needed. That text will be put up in between the opening and the closing anchor tags. Okay, opening and the closing anchor tags, guys. So we are going to write our text. Okay, Google, Google. Okay, Google, Google itself. Okay, and we'll save it right over here. We'll go back to our website. We'll reload our page. As you are able to see, we are getting the text Google and we are getting the link as well. We're getting the text Google as well as the link right over here, guys. So as soon as I'm clicking on this particular link, as soon as I'm clicking on this particular text Google itself, it will take me to a new page. That is our google.com page. That is our google.com page. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Good, guys. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, so that is what we have done right over here. We anchored that text to the link and we are able to reach right over there. As simple as that. Okay, as simple as that, guys. The next thing that we are going to do is, again, we are going to go into our PPT itself and we are going to look at mock-up of a website. Now, what does this mock-up means? Okay, what does this mock-up means, guys? So try to understand this, guys, that whenever you are having something to develop, okay, whenever you want to create a website itself, in any company, or you are doing it on your own itself, coding is a very tedious work. Okay, it's a very long work, it's a very tedious work itself. Now, and you have to pay a lot more to the developers. Okay, the developers are paid very good. So even in some shitty quality job that you're getting into as a full stack engineer, you will get around 15 lakhs per annum. In good companies will pay you 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs per annum as a fresher without any experience itself. So that is the point, guys. These guys are paid well. Now, if you, for example, I want to create a button on my website. Okay, the website is almost completed. I don't like the header of the website. I want to change the entire header of the website to something else. Now, if I give it to the once I have developed the entire thing, they took 1 month to develop the entire thing itself. Now I'm telling them to change it. I have to pay these guys an extra month to get the header changed in its entirety. So you can't change the development process. Once something has been given to the developer, once the developer has been told to develop something, he will be completing it in its entirety. You can't make him to change things again and again. So for that reason itself, before telling him what to build, you show him exactly what you want to build. Okay, you don't tell him that, yeah, I have a restaurant and I want a website for placing orders on my restaurant itself. Okay, you don't do that. You hire somebody called as UI UX designer. Okay, you hire somebody called as UI UX designer who will design the entire website first of all. Okay, who will design the entire website first of all. Just a picture of how a website should look like. These are not websites, guys. Please try to understand this. These are not code. Okay, this is nothing. It is just an image of how the website should look like, and that image will then be sent to the developer that this is the finalized website, how I want it to look like. Now code this. Now you have to write the entire code itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Okay, so many people are saying, asking about attendance. Do you guys really felt that if I tell the exact time at which I'm going to take up the attendance, I will take up the attendance at that point of time? I'm not an idiot. I'm not going to do that. Okay, I will take up the attendance whenever I want. Okay, I know stuff. Okay, you guys don't think that I don't know shit. Okay. So that is something that now I am a terrible designer. Okay, if you look at my designs itself, you look at my handwriting itself. Okay, you saw how bad my handwriting was. In a few days, you will be able to figure out how bad my drawing is as well. So I'm not a design person. I wear blue with green. I do anything. Okay, I don't have any color sense or something like that. Okay, so what happens right now is that you have somebody who is good at designing. Okay, these guys design. So for me as well, for my company as well, for DevTown, we have a in-house UI UX designer. Now, UI UX designers are not paid equally as a software engineer. They will be paid 1/4 or 1/2 of what a software engineer with the same experience is getting. So, for example, in our company, we pay them 20,000 per month. Okay, in some other companies, you will be paid 15,000, 30,000, not more than that. And in the same company in DevTown itself, a developer gets paid 1 lakh rupees. That is the kind of discrepancy that is there. But yes, designers are something that you need. Okay, so what we'll do right now is that we will. So what I do, for example, if I want to create a project, I have no idea about designing itself. I go to a website called as Dribble. Okay, I go to a website called as Dribble, guys. DRIBBBLE. Okay, 3 B's are there. DRIBBBLE dribble.com. Okay, 3 B's, guys. I always make this mistake. Don't make this mistake, guys. Okay, so 20K in Indian rupees, not in dollars, of course. Okay, so as you're able to see right over here, people from all across the world, guys, okay, create their designs and publish it right over here, from which you can take up your like idea. Okay, you can take up some ideas or inspirations from right over here. If you don't know, if you are a shitty person like me and you don't know how to design, you can take up some ideas from right over here and implement it. Okay, implement it in your projects. For example, right over here, guys. Okay, so again, everybody is asking for attendance. I'll only be giving the attendance when I feel that I want to give the attendance. Okay, if you want to stick around, you can stick around. I'm not going to give the attendance for the next 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not going to give the attendance for the next 20 minutes, guys. That is my lookout. Okay, so as you're able to see, most probably I will give the attendance around 850. Okay, I will give the attendance around 850 or something like that. So as you're able to see right over here, you're having so many options right over here. Okay, you can see. So these are just like videos of how the website should look like. These are not code. Okay, these are not code, guys. They're just how the website should look like, guys. How the website should look like. Okay, and you guys can take inspiration from this and implement it in your projects as well. Okay, you can implement it on your projects. Okay, so this is how my website should look like. What are the color patterns? Okay, what are the text that you are going to use? Okay, so all these small things you can pay attention to actually make sure that this is working out for you. So Dribble is a good platform. Behance is a good platform as well. Behance. Behance. You open up Behance for you guys. Behance is again just like Dribble. So you guys can use Behance as well to get some idea about design patterns and everything. You guys can definitely do that. Another thing, guys, for example, for us, we use Figma to create our UI UX designs. Okay, at DevTown, we use Figma as the software to create our UI UX designs itself. So I will show you guys that as well. Do not worry. I'm always very open with what we are doing, how we are doing it, because I want you guys to like understand these concepts on how companies actually work, what technologies are they using behind it, how like they are managing everything. This is something that is very important for you guys. For example, let us see the data structures and algorithms platform that we are currently creating for you. Okay, so we are creating two platforms. One will be an internship platform where we currently have our programs of like somewhere around 300 companies that are currently taking up students from us right now. So all that we are creating it into a platform and everything. So right over here we are creating a data structures and algorithms platform. Okay, so let me show you the designs of it. So this is where our UI UX designer, we give him a problem statement. He asks us some questions on what are the different features that we want and everything. We'll sit together, decide everything. We will create a wireframe. Okay, usually the wireframing that we do is using a pen and a pencil and a paper itself. That okay, this is where the logo should come up. This is where the search bar should come up. This is where the video should come up and all those kind of stuff. And then he creates it inside of Figma. And as you're able to see, even though this is not a website, this is just an image. It looks so much good. Okay, it looks so good, guys. And once these entire files are created, when we are able to figure out all the designs and everything, we send these designs to our development team, the front end engineers, the back end engineers, the cloud engineers, all these people itself, and they then create this into websites. Okay, they then create this into websites itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this process of designing and then the people come up into coding itself? Please let me know. Well, this is important for you guys. Okay, these are small things that maybe some of you know, maybe some of you don't know, but this is something that you should be familiar with. Okay, because maybe some of you might be like, fuck it, I don't like the coding, I will go into designing, I have great designs itself. Then of course, guys, we will be having a bootcamp on UI UX designing in the future. So maybe in February or in March we'll be having one bootcamp on UI UX designing as well. Of course, I will not be taking it. You guys, I've already told you guys I'm shit at designing, but I will be there. Okay, I will definitely be there, and I will help you guys out with your questions and queries. And it will be an amazing bootcamp. You guys can definitely join and understand how UI UX designing actually work. Okay, this is important, guys. Important. Okay, so now that is completed, I wanted to share with you guys one thing. So we are actually so this is a community, right, guys? We are trying to create a community, and a community is you guys itself. It's not us, right? We are just here as the mediators of this community. We're here just to make sure that everything is working out properly. Whatever you guys want from us, we are able to provide it to you guys and everything. So do you guys like this community? Please let me know. Is this fine? Okay, whatever I'm teaching, I know we are not able to do a lot of different stuff for you guys, but I'm planning a lot. For example, this DSA platform, then we are having some other things as well. Boot camps on cyber security, data science, on designs, on some other fields as well. So a blockchain, I'm trying to figure out a lot of different things. Of course, it will take us some time to figure things out as well, but we will definitely try to make sure that whatever you guys want from us, we are able to provide that to you guys in whatever format, whatever form factor that you guys are expecting. So for that reason itself, we want to, like, one of the things that we started just the previous 10-15 days before itself is our own campus ambassador program. Okay, we want students who can represent DevTown in their campuses, get the information about these boot camps to their colleges, maybe organize an offline event in their college, maybe organize a workshop in their college where I'm able to cater to more number of students itself. Even my team of mentors is able to reach out to more number of students, maybe organize some hackathon in their colleges, we'll help them out with that, some events in their colleges, just being the face of DevTown, okay, in their colleges itself. So we are trying to create that, and we are starting with a 1 month internship via DevTown itself, where you will be helping us as interns. Okay, we call them as campus ambassadors, or we call them as citizens of DevTown, because development town. So these guys will be the citizens of our town itself. So we are trying to do that. It will be a minimum duration will be of 1 month itself. There will be some stipend associated with it. So we'll be paying you guys as well, depending upon your work. And irrespective of that, you will be getting a letter of recommendation as well as a certificate of internship via DevTown for how many months that you're working with us. So if you guys are interested in that, would you guys like to join this program with us? Please do let me know, guys. Currently, up till now, I think so, I have 6,000 campus ambassadors throughout India, and we got some 6,000 campus ambassadors in just 10 days. So that's really, like, I didn't believe it at first when I saw it, but yeah, I was pretty much surprised by it as well. So for those guys who want to join us as campus ambassadors, I am giving you guys a form link itself right now itself. Okay, let me just, so as you're able to see, this is the form link. Okay, so the job of campus ambassador, or what we call as them as citizens, will be to encourage your friends and your network to join DevTown, be the face of DevTown in your campuses, promote our free boot camps, and arrange free workshops in your college. Top campus ambassadors will be getting some courses, some goods from DevTown, and of course, I would love to work with you guys as well. Okay, because working with you guys is why I started DevTown in general. So I would love to work with you guys in some way or the other. Right now, we have somewhere around 6,284 citizens throughout the entire globe. We have citizens from US, UK, Spain, Bangladesh, Pakistan. We have from Africa. We have from Kenya. We have from Nigeria. We have from Russia as well. I didn't knew. Okay, I got to know a few days back as well that we have people from Russia who are joining us as well. We have people from India, from across the globe. We have people joining us. Maybe in the future we might have some campus ambassadors from Mars as well. So no, that is not the case. Of course, if it is coming from Mars, then I'm also very concerned with our entire future right now. So yes, guys, if you guys want to join it, I'm providing you guys with the link for the same in the live chat itself. Okay, so if you guys want to join the campus ambassador program, that is our citizens programs, you guys can fill this Google form in the live chat. Okay, I provided it to you guys. Okay, right over here, I pinned up the form as well. I'm giving you guys some 5-10 minutes. Up till that point of time, I will just try to answer some of the questions that people are having. Okay. So try to fill it this form. Those who are interested to join, okay, the campus ambassador program, that is the citizen program itself. You guys can definitely enroll from right over here. Somebody from DevTown, most probably me or somebody from my team, will be reaching out to you guys very soon, and we will be helping you guys with everything. You don't have to worry about it. There's a lot of different things that we guys will be doing. There's no qualifications for that. Anybody who wants to enter into DevTown and who wants to help us grow the entire community is most welcome for the program. Is most welcome for the program, guys. Okay, so for those guys who want to join the campus ambassador program, that is the citizens program, guys, please do fill the form up, and we will really be helping you guys with everything that you want to have. Okay, Anonymous, can we have a DevOps bootcamp? Anonymous, I actually at the end of February, I've already scheduled a bootcamp on DevOps, so we already have that in plan. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. Have any charges, campus ambassador? No, not at all. Okay, so like I said, DevTown is a free sessions as well. This is something that we are doing to grow our community. Nothing less, nothing more, guys. So I'm giving you guys some 5-10 minutes itself. Please fill out the form. Okay, we will be paying you guys, okay, most of the time. You don't have to worry about it. Either you will be getting the certificates and whatever you guys are doing. So we will have some targets, we'll have some fun workshops and everything that will be organizing in your colleges. And if everything goes well, if you're doing well as a campus ambassador, we will be paying you for your help, guys. Okay, and nevertheless, you will be getting a internship certificate, a letter of recommendation from our end. The minimum duration of the campus ambassador program is 1 month, but you can continue doing it for the rest of your life as well if you guys want to do it. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so if you guys sir, respectfully, I think the bootcamp is going slow since it's only for 7 days. Sorry if I'm wrong. SG, I'm able to understand, but we have to go slow, right? Because not everybody is able to understand us in a very fast pace. So what I do is in the first few days, I take it up slow, and then slowly and steadily I increase the pace so that people are able to join us as well. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so I provided you guys with the link as well. Those who are interested in the campus ambassador program can fill it up right now. We have got some 400 people who have already, okay, more than 400 people who have already filled up the campus ambassador program itself. If you guys are interested in that, I've already pinned up the form in the live chat as well. Those guys who are interested to intern with us, to join our community, to volunteer with us as well, you guys can definitely fill up the form. I'm giving you guys up till like 45 6:45 to fill up the form. Okay, if you guys have any questions, any queries, in a few days itself your onboarding will be done. You will be told how to do it, what to do it, and there's a lot of potential, guys. So two of our campus ambassadors have earned more than 50,000 rupees in 1 month doing the entire campus ambassador things itself. Okay, so if you guys are doing it properly, you can earn upwards of 20k, 30k, even 50k as well per month, INR, Indian rupees itself, of course. So that is what we do. This is something that we launched just so that students are also able to earn some extra pocket money while they are working with us, as well as they're able to learn something about the organization, about how to organize events, how to make sure that everything is going on in a very smooth, structured manner. So all these small things we are trying to identify it itself. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. No, it's not compulsory that you have to be member of any college society. Okay, if you are not any member of any college society, you can directly just put it up right over there. You don't have to worry about it itself. Okay. So some of my friends are from private colleges. Can they apply as well? Design with Tanisha. Of course, you can apply for that as well. Even your friends can also apply for that. Okay. The entire internship will be remote. Okay, it will be part time itself. We know you are in college. Okay, we are not Hitler Qureshi or something like that. It's an entirely remote internship. Of course, you will be the face of campus ambassador in your college itself. Okay. Kumar, if you have attended the previous boot camp, okay, you will know when your certificates are going to come. If you're not attended the boot camp, that is the reason why you don't know when the certificates are going to come. Okay. So for those guys, so can we apply as a team like me and some of my friends? Aryan, you can just apply individually, and if you guys once we are able to organize your meeting and everything, once all the onboarding happens, you can let us know, and we'll group you guys together as a team. Okay. The entire training is remote itself. You guys don't have to worry about it. Okay. So I've already provided you guys the link. If you guys, so up till now we have got 1,000 people who have currently joined us as a campus ambassador. As you are able to see, 1,130 people. So guys, do not take a lot of time. If you guys are interested to join as a campus ambassador, you guys can just fill up the form. Okay, somebody from our team will be reaching out to you guys very soon. I will be helping you guys out with the rest of the process. Onboarding will happen. Even I will be there, of course. I will be there and I will be helping you guys out, figure out everything, any kind of guidance that you guys want, anything. So we'll be meeting with each other regularly on Zoom calls. So we'll try to figure out a little bit more. I want to know a little bit more about you guys. I want to work with you guys a little bit more. So that is the reason why we brought this particular program for you guys. Okay. So okay, so definitely join the program itself, guys, and it will be great. The next thing that is there, guys, is today's attendance, of course. So I'll be providing you guys the attendance at 8:45. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. We'll be providing you guys the attendance at 8:45. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. The internship will be done remotely itself. You can do it from your own college. You don't have to worry about it. सर आपको जैसे ये सब कुछ आता है तो इन द लॉन्ग टर्म सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनने के लिए मुझे भी सीखना पड़ेगा जैसे यूआई यूएक्स भी होगा बल्कि यू डोंट हैव टू नो एवरीथिंग ओके फॉर एग्जांपल आई डोंट नो हाउ टू लाइक बेसिकली डिजाइन स्टफ but I know how to operate Figma because I'm working with UI UX designers, so I know how to operate Figma. I can do that. Okay, there's no issues in that. What you need to know as a fresher, because I'm having a lot of experience. Okay, I'm having a lot of experience. I used to start my internship from the second year of my college itself. I became a data analyst in Reliance at the second year of my college because COVID was going on and everything was there, so I got a boost right over there. In my third year, in the second half of my second year itself, I was a data scientist in Geo as an intern. In the third year of my college, I got my 6 months internship at Google. After that, I joined Google for almost a year, and then I left Google. I worked at various different startups. I joined Fastnell as a software engineer itself. So all this happened throughout my entire time of the time itself. Okay, you don't have to. So you don't have to learn anything. Okay, at the start as a fresher, focus upon data structures and algorithms and competitive programming. Focus upon your any one of the fields, either front end, full stack web development, or data science, or cyber security, or blockchain. Focus one of these things itself. Okay. Okay, guys. Which, according to you, which domain has more prospects, web development or app development? So this is a very big question. Okay, so what should you do, web development or app development? Now, this is a question that I feel most of the people actually don't know what is the entirety of these thing. That's the reason why people ask this. Okay, so just try to understand this. Okay, guys, please try to understand this difference between web development and app development. So think about it as so you order stuff from Swiggy, Zomato, right, guys? Everybody orders stuff on Swiggy and Zomato. Please let me know. Everybody right over here orders something on Swiggy and Zomato, guys. Please do let me know. The question is very simple. You want to go with web development or app development? Okay, everybody has ordered something on Swiggy and Zomato. Everybody has used something like that at any particular point of time. Okay, so what happens when you're ordering something on Swiggy and Zomato? It is coming from a restaurant. Okay, it is coming from a restaurant. Now there are two ways of eating at the restaurant itself. Either you go there, you order stuff and you eat it inside of the restaurant, or you sit at your home, open up Swiggy or Zomato, order something, it will come from the restaurant itself and you will be eating it right over there. So you are having two ways of eating food from the restaurant, by going there or by just sitting at home and ordering stuff, right? But the food is coming from the same kitchen. Are you guys able to understand this? The food is coming from the same kitchen itself. Are you guys able to understand it? Please let me know. The food is coming from the same kitchen itself. The same thing is happening in web development and app development. Okay, when you're learning web development, you're learning front-end web development, back-end web development, DevOps, cloud computing. I will be making you guys understand what is front end, what is back end, what is cloud, what is DevOps in the future class itself. You don't have to worry about it. Right now, just understand that web development means all these four things. Now, this back end development, your DevOps, and your cloud computing remains common in web development and app development. Nothing is changed. Nothing is changed. You do not have two backends, two DevOps, two cloud computings that you have to learn for learning web development and app development. Everything is same in the backend. Everything is kitchen. Everything in the backend is kitchen itself. Backend, DevOps, cloud. Everything is kitchen. The front portion, whether you're going to the restaurant or whether you're staying at home and ordering something, that is what is difference between the web development and app development. If you're learning just app development, you are learning how to just order food on your mobile phone. Okay, nothing else. Okay, you're not learning how the kitchen works. You're not learning anything. When you're learning web development, you're learning how to go to the restaurant, how to order stuff, how to eat it right over there, as well as how the kitchen is working, how everything is being managed. You're learning everything right over there. That is the difference between web development and app development. So if you have learned web development in its entirety, it takes you 7 days to learn app development. And if you are spending time to learn app development, then it takes you almost 3.5 months to learn web development. What is better, guys? What is better? Please do let me know. What is better, guys? So you learn web development in its entirety. You learn React JS, you learn MongoDB, Express, Node.js, all these technologies you are learning right over there. You're learning AWS, you're learning DevOps, Kubernetes. Once you've learned everything right over there, then you just have to learn. So you have learned React. You just have to learn React Native. You have to learn React Native, guys. Once you have learned React Natives, now you can develop websites, you can develop Android apps, you can develop iOS apps, you can develop AR VR apps. Okay, you can develop watch OS apps. You can do anything. You can do anything. In 7 days it takes to learn React Native. After that, you can develop anything that you want. That is the benefit of web development. Okay. Okay, guys. So now I'll be showing you guys the attendance link itself. I think so. We have got a lot of people who have, oh fuck, we have got almost 8,000 people who have registered for Campus Ambassador program itself. Almost 2,000 people have registered. Shit, should I leave it open or some shit? Okay, no issues. Now I will give you guys the attendance for today, guys. Give me a second. Okay, give me a second, guys. I will just create the attendance for you guys for today. Okay, just give me a second, guys. No worries. Okay, I know I'm a little bit slow. Okay, so no worries. I'm just creating the attendance for you guys. Okay, today the attendance link will be open for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. Let's take a okay, second day. You guys need some time. 10 minutes. The attendance link will be open today. Tomorrow again 2 attendance. Today I'm taking up only 1 attendance because I was just like fooling around and everything. But tomorrow again will be 2 attendance. One in the starting, one at the end itself. Okay, so I will create the make a copy of this. Okay, why 10 minutes, guys? Let's keep it at 7 minutes itself. Today I just take 7 minutes to create the attendance link itself. Okay, just take 7 minutes to create the attendance link. Okay, so I've created a copy of the attendance link itself. I'll create it as day 2. 7 minutes should be more than sufficient. From tomorrow I'll just be giving otherwise 5 minutes itself. So 7 minutes is more than sufficient. If the attendance link is not opening for you, if the attendance link is not opening for you, just reload the page 50 times. It will open for you, it will work for you. Do not worry about it. Okay, so I'm going to provide the attendance link in the live chat right now, guys. I'm going to provide the attendance link in the live chat for the next 2 minutes. After that, I will not be able to provide you guys with the live chat. So now the attendance link is there in the live chat. The attendance link is open up till 8:50 6. Okay, the attendance link is open up till 8:56, guys. The attendance link is open up till 8:56. This is the attendance link, guys. The attendance link is open up till 8:56, guys. The attendance link, I'm again repeating, is open up till 8:56. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Okay. No, you are not asked C in internships or campus placements. You will be asked C++ or Java and whatever programming language that you are using. Okay, I'm going to provide this attendance link for the next 2 minutes itself. Then I will not be providing you guys the attendance link. Okay, the attendance link will be open up till 8:56, guys. Okay, the attendance link will be opening up until 8:56, guys. 7 minutes is more than sufficient. I will be providing the attendance link for just 2 minutes more. I will be providing the attendance link for just 1 minute more. Okay, just 1 minute more. I will be providing it in the live chat. After that, I will not be providing it, guys. After that, I will not be provided it, guys. Okay. Like I said, guys, the attendance link always works. Okay, the attendance, just reload the same. The attendance link always works, guys. There's never a problem with the attendance link. Okay, right over here, as you're able to see, I'll just reload the page. The attendance link always works. I'll provide the attendance link for just 1 more minute. Yes, if you are already an employee, you can still do the internship. There's no issues in that. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so like I said, guys, it's done. I'm not going to share the attendance thing anymore. As you're able to see, almost 1,000 people have already filled up the attendance. Almost 1,000 people have already filled up the attendance, guys. Already done filling up the attendance. As you're able to see, the attendance thing is working absolutely fine. There's no issues with the attendance thing whatsoever. Okay. So the attendance link is already fine. There's no issues with the attendance link whatsoever, guys. As you're able to see, no problem with the attendance link, guys. You're able to see no problem with the attendance link. 1,600 people have already filled up their attendance link, guys. 1,700 people have already filled up their attendance link. So now I will not be providing with the attendance link itself. Okay, I'll not be providing with the attendance link. Okay. So for those guys who still want to participate as a campus ambassador, as the citizen of our dev town, do join us through the form. I've already pinned it up in the live chat as well. Do join us through the form. I've already pinned it up through the live chat as well. Okay, so you guys can definitely join us. And yeah, it would be great itself. Reddy, again, your message, I'm easily able to understand you have not visited our last class of the last bootcamp. That is the reason why you don't know when your certificates are going to come. Now, should I just cancel your certificates itself in that case? Okay. C++ or Java, what to choose for placements? Of course, I will be suggesting C++, but that is a personal choice. Both are good. Okay. Sandeep Sharma, just contact your career counselor. He will help you guys out with the same. Okay. Okay, guys, the attendance link will be closed in the next 4 minutes. I'm just reminding. Attendance link will be closed in the next 4 minutes. Attendance link is working absolutely fine. 2,700 people have already filled up their attendance. 2,700 people have already filled up their attendance, guys. Attendance link will be closed in the next 4 minutes. Internship is free. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, if you guys want to join the internship, that is our campus ambassador internship, that is the citizen internship via DevTown. The link is there in the live chat. I've already pinned it up. You guys can definitely join us. We will be thrilled to work with you guys, and it will be an amazing journey for us as well, even for you. Okay. For those guys who want to contact me personally, you guys can contact me through LinkedIn or Instagram. Both the links are down in the description of the video itself, guys. Okay. Yes, the class is over, guys. You guys can leave. Okay, the class is over. You guys can leave. I'm 18. Can I apply for the campus ambassador program? Of course, you can. If you are there for the program, of course, why not? Okay. So, guys, the class is over. If you guys want, you can leave. Okay. In 3 minutes, the attendance link will be closed. Okay. I am an intermediate in C and C++. How can I start my internship? Also, I'm trying to do DSA, but confused. Should I do DSA or internship? You should be doing both. Okay, DSA even right now. Okay, I've joined almost 3 or 4 different corporates up till now. Still, I'm doing data structures and algorithms on a daily basis. You can't escape that. Okay, DSA is not something. If you are planning to get into development, any field, app development, web development, data science, blockchain, cyber security, ethical hacking, anything that you want to join, software engineer as well, you have to learn DSA for your entire life. For your entire life itself. You can't escape that. That's a fact. Okay. There's only one attendance today, guys. There's only one attendance today. Okay. The class is over, guys. You guys can leave. Okay. You don't have to worry about it. The class is over. You guys can leave, guys. Okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. Okay, guys. So for those who want to join us for the campus ambassador program, I have pinned up the link in the live chat. You guys can definitely join us. It will be great working with you. We'll meet tomorrow again at 7:30, and we'll be continuing from right over there. Good night, everyone, or good evening, depending upon your time zones. And have a great day ahead. Okay, do something productive tomorrow. Take an aim. I'll learn something. I'll do something tomorrow itself, and make sure that you are able to achieve it. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll meet tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good night. Good night, guys. Good night.